Hello, fellow plant friends. Welcome back. In today's video, we're cleaning my Millsboro White greenhouse cabinet. The first step was to remove all of the plants. Because I found thrips on one of the plants in the cabinet, I decided to treat all of them with insecticidal soap just to be safe. When all of the things inside the cabinet were removed, I sprayed everything down with an all-purpose cleaner, let that sit for a couple of minutes, and then wiped it off with a microfiber cloth. I decided to also remove the glass panel at the bottom of the cabinet so I could wipe the surface beneath it. Then I put all of the plants back into the cabinet. And was done for the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.